Hey everyone, Bybit is now offering a free physical Visa card, and the best part is, it's available worldwide. You can use it for everyday payments, online shopping, and yes, it even supports Apple Pay. This is a great chance to get a global crypto card at zero cost. Now let's take a quick look at how you can get your free Bybit card today. The process is simple, fast, and anyone can do it. First, you'll need to install the Bybit app. Just download it using the link in the description. Once you sign up through the link, you'll be eligible to receive a $20 reward as part of their promotion. It's also extremely easy to create your Bybit account. You can verify your identity in just a few minutes using your driving license or national ID card. The process is simple, secure, and completely beginner-friendly. If you run into any problems while creating your account, just drop a comment below and I'll help you out as soon as possible. This app works perfectly on Android devices as well, so you can install it directly on your Android phone. And if you prefer, you can also access Bybit through their official website and manage everything from your computer. This Bybit Visa Card is supported in almost every country, making it truly global. Plus, you'll even earn cash back on your purchases, giving you extra rewards every time you use it. When you register, you'll need to complete the verification process. For this, you can simply use your national ID card or driving license. The verification is quick, easy, and secure. Here you can see the Bybit Card option. It's very easy to apply, and once you complete the application, you'll receive a virtual card instantly. You can start using the virtual card right away for online payments, and after that, you can also apply for the physical card to use everywhere. My physical card was delivered within 3 weeks, and now I'm going to verify and activate the card step by step. I'll show you how easy the process is, and once the verification is complete, the card is ready to use for payments, online shopping, and everyday expenses. I've already added my Bybit card to Apple Pay. If your country's local banks are not supported by Apple Pay or Google Pay, this card is a great alternative. You can easily use it with Apple Pay or Google Pay for secure and convenient payments. As you can easily manage your card directly through the Bybit app, from checking balances to controlling card settings. And if you're not sure how to deposit funds, just leave a comment below. I'll be happy to guide you step by step. You can also see a variety of reward programs inside the app where you can earn cash rewards and other bonuses by completing simple tasks and using the card. Now this is my card and it was delivered in this sealed, well-designed package, just like this. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Wow. The card has a premium look and feel, really sleek and professional. You can see that my name, card number, and expiration date are printed on the back of the card. All right, now it's time to activate the card. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start using it for online purchases, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and everyday payments. Activating the card is simple, quick, and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. When you open the Bybit app, you'll see a notification about your card. Just tap on it, enter the CVV number from your card, and complete a quick verification using Google Authenticator. It's simple, secure, and ensures your card is ready to use safely. All right, the card is now ready to use. I've added the link in the description so you can claim your $20 cash reward using my link. If you're installing the app via the App Store or Google Play Store, make sure to enter my referral code during registration to receive your $20 instantly. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help you. All right then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.